If you've ever wished you could sit back and read a PDF without constantly dragging your mouse or tapping your keyboard, today's tutorial is for you. I'll show you how to use automatic scrolling in Adobe Acrobat and Acrobat Reader on both Windows and Mac. By the end, you'll be able to let your PDFs scroll on their own. Hands-free, perfect for reading reports, reviewing contracts, or just relaxing as you read a digital book. So let's get straight into how it works. First, you'll want to open your PDF in either Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. Just double-click the file like you usually would, or launch the program and select your document from the File menu. Having your PDF open is the foundation. It sounds obvious, but a lot of Acrobat's special features only appear once you have a document ready to go. Next, let's navigate to the Page Display menu. Look for the View menu at the top of your screen. That's your gateway to most of Acrobat's display settings. Click View, then hover over Page Display in the drop-down that appears. Page Display is where Acrobat hides all the helpful viewing options, whether you want to see just one page or flip through like a real book. Now, with Page Display open, let's enable the automatic scrolling feature. Find and click Automatically Scroll. The moment you do, you'll notice your document slowly start to scroll downwards all by itself. It's a simple step, but it can feel a bit magical the first time you watch your PDF turn itself like an ebook. This is fantastic for giving your hands a break, or for following along with large documents without needing to keep touching your computer. But what if the scroll is too slow or too fast for your reading pace? Here's where you can fine-tune things to suit your style. While your PDF is scrolling, try pressing any number key from 1 to 9. The number represents the speed. 1 is the slowest, and 9 is the fastest. It's sort of like controlling your treadmill or the playback speed of a video. If you're skimming for information, ramp it up. If you're soaking in every word, slow it down. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect on the first try. Just tap a different number until it feels comfortable. When you've finished reading or need to stop the scrolling to take a note, simply hit the ESC key on your keyboard. That stops automatic scrolling instantly and returns you to regular manual navigation. If you're working with longer documents, knowing you can halt things at any time gives you complete control. If you want to get the full experience, you should try this feature in full screen mode. On a Windows PC, press Ctrl+L on your keyboard, or choose View, then full screen mode from the menu. Mac users use CMD+L. Full screen mode hides all the distractions like menus and toolbars. It's just you and your document, much like reading a printed page. From full screen mode, starting automatic scrolling is just as easy. For Windows, press Shift plus Ctrl+H. Mac folks, it's Shift plus CU, CMD+H. Your PDF will start gliding down the screen again, now in a clean, immersive view. If at any moment you want to pause, just press ESC key. That stops scrolling. Hit ESC one more time and you'll exit full screen and return to your regular view. And there you have it, a hands-free, customizable way to read, review, or relax with PDFs in Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader. Try it out for your next presentation, research paper, or even a novel. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, comment below if you have any questions or want more tips, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy reading!